What's up guys, and here in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the country in Google Play Store. So all you have to do is open up the Play Store, then click your profile in the upper right and scroll down to where you'll find payment and subscription. Click on that. Now from here click on payment method, scroll down and you will find the option more payment settings. Click on that. Now from here expand the sidebar by clicking the burger menu in the upper left. Now from here you want to click on settings, and from here if you scroll down you will find the option for country. Now you want to click on the pencil icon, then click on create a new profile, then click on continue, and from here you can select a new country. Once you select the new country, let's say I'm going to choose, for example, let's just choose France, for example. Click on next, and you want to go ahead and continue to fill out all the information and submit. Once this is all done, you will realize that your country is changed on your Google Play Store. And that's it, guys.